I've written 11 books on organization. If I took all my books and came up with the 1, 2, 3 tips that will make a difference in your life, it would be these. The number one, the most important tip ever is to prioritize. Prioritize, 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 because no matter what you think, not everything has the same value or weight. When you prioritize, you make much better use of your time. You give your time much more valuable, make it much more valuable, because you're spending time on the things or the people that you really want to. So that is key with everything in life, whether it's work, at home, doesn't matter. Prioritize, learn how to make the best use of your time. If you don't know how, or you don't know how to prioritize, ask yourself, what's the best use of my time right now? What must get done? What can wait? Ask yourself those 2 questions, your priorities will come to mind. So that's number one. Number 2, and this is something that Closet Works will find really interesting, a place for everything, and everything has its place. That's your assurance against losing things. So that's really, really key. So even if you're building an office, a little office space, or you're building a little closet, keep that in mind. Like, what's going to go where? Everything should have a little home so that you know where to go, and it saves time. You know where to go when you need it. That's another tip. Third is to simplify. Absolutely, you don't have to overcomplicate things. Streamline, create systems for yourself, like the morning routines we were talking about earlier. Create systems that will make your life easier. For instance, everyone gets up. Who's going to go into the shower when? Who walks the dog? What is everybody going to have for breakfast? Did you make their lunches and snacks for school the night before? Which is really key. So things like that make your life so much easier. You just have to get into the rhythm of it. So those are 3 really important tips. I also suggest to plan. Take the time to plan, because it's going to save you time. And while you're planning, you prioritize. And the last one, which is a biggie, is learn to say no. You can say no to people who request your time and it may not fall under your priorities, or who have unfair requests of your time, or who are always asking for more time. So one smart thing to do, and I always tell my clients and my students this, and those that do it are so happy, is keep track of your time. Create a time log and write down what you do, like for the next 3 days, every hour in the hour, who's interrupting you, who you're speaking to. Write everything down that you can, and then look at it, and you will see where your time goes. You will see the time traps. It could be one person calling you 10 times a day, or you may find that you're interrupting yourself, that every 10 minutes you're jumping up for a snack. So it's really, really important to do that, to guide your time.